Manobel Makala? Seredo. This is Seredo, guys. The red one. It's the red one or the black one. See?
Red one.
And this is Selesi. Selesi.
Yes.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. Thank you, Selesi. Okay guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on the geographical location where you are, guys. Right now it's 14:52 time here in Kenya, East Africa, guys. And right now, as you can see, I've just came from that house where the start of this video, where I was filming that guy Selasi while he was crushing those millets, guys. I just came to bring this power bank because at our house, I mean in our home, there is no electricity. The electricity, since Monday, the electricity has been a problem to this our line. And when I started to do a bit of investigation, I found that there was a tree which bring all these problems. It actually fell on the pole line and all those wire lines which carry electricity to our home, guys. So right now I've reached our home. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, so this is the power bank. You see, we have them two. And one, I just take one. Wayne is running. Wayne. What are you running? And this is my mom is washing these utensils. Mom, you can greet people. Okay. Wayne, why are you running? And Wayne is running, and these are the groundnuts which you are harvesting down over that farm. You see? And the reason why we are doing sun drying over here is because this is the floor, and if there is so many sun, the floor just get heated, so the groundnut will be heated very quickly compared to when we just do sun drying on the sacks or the sacks like this. Okay, so that's the reason. That's the water tap. That water, I guess my mom want to use it, and she's the one and this is my exercise point, you know. I'm that one guy whom like gymming. I like gymming a lot, so I built this gym. It's a locally made. I made it with a cement, ballast, and sand. And this is just a container part. And this, so you see, this tree, I usually use a mattress. That mattress is inside. I usually use that mattress. I just light it over here. After I light it, I light on this tree. Then I sleep. Then I start my gymming exercise. And I used to do it daily. I like gymming a lot. So that's it. Maybe in the evening, I'm gonna show you how I do it. And this is a sugarcane plantation. You see, I was the one who cut this one. You see, that's our sugarcane plantation. Okay. Win. Makrama. Cherot. Cherot. So these are sweet potatoes. You see, they are almost ready. If you see a soil start to break like this, that's the evidence. That's one of the evidence that these potatoes are ready, guys. And this aloe vera. This is that one aloe vera that came my big bro plant. Okay. Down this is our farm. Actually, we are doing the harvesting of this groundnut, and as you can see, we finish it. We finish every as you can see from the start of this point going that way. We finish it from there, all of it, and that was the tree. That one, that slide over there, that was the tree which we were cutting that day, that previous day. And Wayne is running, coming to me. Wayne, what are you doing? Okay, guys, stay tuned. This is just a quick tour. Guys, can you see that lizard? That lizard on top of those rocks. I think it's a chameleon. I think you can see it, guys. You see? Big one. Let me go. Where it is. I don't know if you can see it, guys. You see? That one, that chameleon. I think it's doing sunbursting. You know, right now it's almost 15. It's almost 3. So you see that chameleon? I guess it will run away, guys. You see? And you know, the funny thing with these chameleons, they always eat our chickens. Those small chickens, they eat them like crazy. If he got them, the small ones, it has run away. It was here. It was doing sunbursting. But right now, it has proceeded. It has gone inside. Let me be careful. And Wayne here is following me. Wayne, what's the plan? You know, Wayne has been following me. So I don't know what Wayne wants. Wayne, see those flowers? Those are our flowers. Wayne's flowers, my mom's flowers, Fidel, and everyone, and all for my subscribers flowers, guys. Wayne, say good morning. You see, this is Wayne. I'm telling Wayne to send good morning. Wayne, show them the flower. Show them. Tangnegi flower. You see, Wayne is giving you the flower, guys. That's Wayne. Say good morning. What's wrong with your hands, Wayne? Those were flowers which Wayne plugged. And guys, there is a banana here which I want to cut. So Wayne, let's go and take a machete and come so that we can cut that banana. The small ones, it has run away. It was here. It was doing sunbursting. but right now it has proceeded, it has gone inside. Let me be careful. And Wayne here is following me. Wayne, what's the plan? You know, Wayne has been following me. So I don't know what Wayne wants. Wayne, see those flowers? Those are our flowers. Wayne's flowers, my mom's flowers, Fidel, and everyone, and all for my subscribers, flowers, guys. Wayne, say good morning. You see, this is Wayne. I'm telling Wayne to send good morning. Wayne, show them the flower. Show them. Tangnegi flower. You see? Wayne is giving you the flower, guys. That's Wayne. Say good morning. What's wrong with your hands, Wayne? Those were flowers which Wayne plugged. And guys, there is a banana here which I want to cut. So Wayne, let's go and take a machete and come so that we can cut that banana. Okay guys, I'm going to take a machete here. I want to use it to cut this banana, guys. Javan, iribeti ja? Angati, iribeti. Okay, I want to take a machete, so stay tuned, guys. It's already mature, so I want to cut it. This is machete. You see, half machete. And Wayne is with me. Wayne, you know Wayne is that one person who likes following people. I think that one is good. See the other one. That's another banana. This is another banana. So this is the one which I want to cut. This one. Because right now I think it's very, very mature. Matured enough to ripe on its own. That's one. And this. And this. You know, all these bananas, they are very different. This one is that one which always, it's very sweet when it's ripe. And this one is also very sweet, but there is a big difference between them. And this, as you can see, this one is very big compared to this one. Cindy Wayne, this one. So we call this is, I don't know what its name in English, but maybe in our local language we call it Odigo, and this is Nyaluo. But for most of the time I used to see this one. Even if you went on a show to shop, to do some shopping of these fruits, most of people usually sell that one. So I don't know who's gonna hold this camera for me while I'm doing the cutting. Wayne, utashika camera? Utashika camera? Camera. You see? So I'm starting with this one. I was asking Wayne if he can hold camera for me, but Wayne is just saying camera. Wayne, shika hivi. I'm telling Wayne. Guys, actually I was giving Wayne the camera to hold it for me, but he just cut the camera. He just cut the video which was recording. So I don't know how I'm gonna hold this camera because I want to cut this banana. Guys, this one. Because can you see? It's now okay. Jabo. Okibimak na kamera ni agina tonga negi ne rabol ni matin. Actually guys, I'm calling Javan to come and hold this camera for me because I want to cut this banana. So I need somebody to hold this camera for me so that you can have a good view and a better view. I'm gonna cut it. Okay. Hmm? Win. Cut here. Cut hapa. Win. Ngadka. Bingadka. Win. I need to start with. So guys, I need to cut it into small pieces so that it can give the other ones a better place and a better chance to grow well. Those are, I need to put them inside there. Sometimes they always hug you up. But you see what? Those tiny and small ones, they bite. If they bite you, I mean, if it stings you, guys, you can try the whole night, the whole day, all night, from morning to morning. So this is the harvest, guys. This is the okay guys, for watching up to this far. I really want to appreciate you for your love and support, guys. If you haven't subscribed, guys, kindly consider subscribe. It's just my humble request, guys. Let's grow this channel together, guys. Right now I'm here where we are doing this digging or chopping of this mara and bringing the topsoil here and the maram to that side, guys. We're gonna show you guys. So kindly, before I end the video, that's the place where we are taking those maram, guys. And also the banana, it's in the house, guys. Let's wait for it to ripe, then we're gonna eat it together, guys. And Wayne is running. Wayne. So guys, I'm gonna end this video, guys. Kindly, if you haven't, just my humble request, if you haven't subscribed, kindly consider subscribe, like the video, share, and also leave a good or a positive comment. See you next time, guys. See you next time. Bye.